Hi, come enjoy dinner with me. Today is Halloween. I don't make anything, just leftover food. Khao Poon from last night. Kapi and Khao Poon nam patu, the tuna fish soup. Come join me.
Hello everybody. Today Halloween day. I hope everyone be safe out there, okay? And today I have some noodle soup. Khao Poon nam patu, no? I have some pumpkin one. I leave outside. Then I don't buy the candy anything today, and I just, you know, my kid growing up and they don't want to do that, and I just do whatever. And now I don't have much vegetable. Long bean, but the purple one. Peopleเอามาจาก from the temple from Sacramento or something like that. Then she posts on Facebook and I say I want some too, and she said come pick it up. Okay. I want everything.หอมเป็นนี่ก็สิกินเป็นว่ากับตำกับข้าวปุ้น When I eat really spicy, I put maybe more than 20. Cilantro. This is my kapi. On my weekend, I'm gonna make pan miệng nè. A lot of members asking me today, why you don't dress up? We work 8 hours, you know, and I wanna be comfortable at work, you know. I don't want uncomfortable. Chili spicy. Every time I bite chili, go cool dang. It cannot. เผ็ดค่ะชิลันโทนูโดซุปข้าวปุ้นน้ำปลาทูนี่นะนัวเด้แซ่บ It's warm. I came home and make spaghetti for my kid.หัวเพิ่นได้นี่กับปุ่นนี่นะโฟขับปุ่นโฟอันนูโดบันI dream about my mom last night. In my dad backyard have a lot of these like my thumb. I told my mom, I gotta pick it up and I gotta make some green bean salad. My mom said, go ahead. There's a lot in the backyard, but I gotta go with your dad. My mom said like that. I said, where you go? But you have to repeat this word and over until I remember every single word, and she gonna go. She said like that. I said, who give to you this? But this one is the Buddha word, and my cousin dad give to my mom. See, I'm not gonna remember one day because of a long sentence, long word, you know. I say I have to read couple days, you know. I said like that. Then after that, my mom say, take out the paper for like this, and my mom take it out the paper, all the handwriting for the classic, you know, like old for a long time, like พระคัมภีร์บอกอย่างนั้นนะ you know, I don't know, but later on I woke up, oh my god, I missed the green bean, the plant and my dad backyard. Oh my god, so nice and so beautiful. I said, man, I forgot to pick it up. Alright guys, happy Halloween, family and fan, okay? Be safe out there. You don't know who in who, okay? Thank you to enjoy with me today. I gotta say goodbye to everybody. I hope you guys enjoy with me. If you like my channel, please subscribe and thumb up for me. See you next video, okay? Bye bye. Have a good night. Bye bye. Okay.